skin, you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the
What is up, everybody? Brian, SoCo Custom. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and let's get to it. That back there is a Subaru Baja. You don't see too many of these around, so... Alright guys, here is the Subaru Baja. So we went up 4 inches on the Anderson kit. This kit uses a series of spacers on the struts and the subframe to achieve that 4 inches of lift. And let's see, let's head back to these wheels. These are a 15 by 7. These are the boxers. And then we wrap those in a 235 75 R15. So I will put that measurement in the bottom corner, but you can see that strut up there. As you can see, this is definitely going to take a little more trimming, and this is pre-alignment, so you can see that there's some pretty good positive camber, but we live in a state where we don't have the luxury of daylight beyond about 5 p.m. here, so I'm just trying to make sure I get this filmed before we ship this vehicle in the dark. So this gentleman is going all out with this vehicle. He did put a Subaru STI motor underneath the hood. So I guess what we've been saying about this project is that we're trying to make this little Baja live up to its name, make it Baja worthy. So this Anderson kit, I would budget quite a bit more time than they do say on the website because, well, number one, this is a pretty old vehicle. I believe it's about 13 years old. So we did have to make some repairs to the vehicle just to make sure that it was worthy and able to roll these bigger tires. But yeah, that's a pretty cool stance, as you can see. Look at this. Make it a little more aggressive. Alright guys, that's it for us. Give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and if you've got any questions about this kit, please leave them in the comments section below.